I'm Aurora, I'm 10 years old, and we've already talked about the pronouns of the letter C and of its sound K. Now we will learn about when we must pronounce the C ch. So in English we write ch, ch, but how do we write it in Italian? When the letter C is followed by E, like aceto, a vinegar, or I, like cipolla, onion, the sound is ch. So when the letter C is followed by E or I, the sound it makes is ch. So the other sound that makes ch is given by C followed by I plus A, like ciao, or O, like calcio, football, or U, like ciuccio, dummy. So we learned that when the letter C is followed by E and I, it makes the sound ch, but it also makes the sound ch when the C is followed by I plus A or O or U. So today we learned aceto, vinegar, cipolla, onion, ciao, hello, calcio, football, and ciuccio, dummy. So I hope you liked the lesson of today. Put a thumbs up if you liked the video, subscribe, and remember, verde, bianco, rosso. Bye!